Hello, iPhone users, and welcome back to our channel. If you're encountering a frustrating problem where your iPhone won't allow you to set up voicemail and instead tells you to call voicemail, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to resolve this issue and get your voicemail up and running smoothly. So, let's dive right into it. The very first thing you need to do is tap on Phone app. Now navigate to Keypad. Then press and hold number 1. This will take you to voicemail. If you can't get into one, let's try next method. This method has worked effective for most of them. To do so, swipe into Control Center. Then disable cellular data. Wait for a few seconds and enable cellular data again. Now see if this fixed out or not. If not, let's move to the next method. To do so, open Settings. Then navigate to General. Then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Then Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode and confirm the process. Note that this will delete your Wi-Fi passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings. So that's all about it. I have mentioned some solutions to fix the cannot set up voicemail, call voicemail problem on your iPhone. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more iPhone troubleshooting guides and tech tips. If you have any questions or if you've encountered other iPhone-related issues, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected and stay techy.